I will be showing you how to bypass the ChatGPT network error that happens when you use long prompts. This error usually occurs because the server times out, or the amount of text is simply too much for the system to process in a single window. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and navigate to status.openai.com. If the bars there show any red or orange colors, the problem is on their end, and you just have to wait. If everything is green, we need to adjust how you are inputting your data. Instead of pasting your entire document at once, you should break your prompt into smaller chunks. Scroll down to the message bar and type a command that tells the AI to wait. You can say something like, "I'm going to send you a long text in 4 parts. Do not process it until I say go." Just reply with "Acknowledged." After the AI confirms, paste your first section. The important thing is to keep each part under 2,000 words. This keeps the connection stable and prevents the server from cutting you off mid-sentence. Now, that goes both ways. While breaking up the prompt helps the AI understand you, it also means you have to be more organized with your data. If you lose track of which part you sent, the final output might be messy. In my case, I find it helpful to label them Part 1, Part 2, and so on. Once all parts are in the chat, you can then give your final instruction to process everything. If you are still seeing the network error, you need to check your browser settings. Move your mouse to the top right corner and open your browser menu. Scroll down to where it says Settings, then find Privacy section, and here click on Clear Browsing Data. You want to make sure you clear the cache and cookies specifically for the OpenAI site. After you do this, perform a hard refresh by holding down Ctrl and hitting R on your keyboard. This forces the page to reload entirely new files from the server. You should also look at your connection tools. If you have a VPN toggled on, click the icon in your taskbar and turn it off. VPNs often create unstable hops that cause ChatGPT to drop the connection during a long response. However, the trade-off is that your IP address will no longer be hidden. If you need that privacy, you will have to deal with the occasional timeout error. Finally, if a response stops halfway, look for the button that says Continue Generating right above the text box. Click that instead of refreshing the page, as it picks up exactly where the server left off. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.